Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Zoho Mail password quickly and easily. Whether you want to boost your account security or simply update your login details, this guide will take you through every step. A strong password is one of the best ways to keep your email safe, so let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail login page. Enter your email address along with your current password to access your account. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your homepage. You'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, select My Account. Now that you're on your account page, you'll notice a sidebar with several options. Click on the Security tab, which will take you to a page full of security-related settings. In this section, find the Change Password option and click on it. Next, you'll need to enter your current password. This step is important because it verifies your identity and ensures that only you can make this change. After that, type in your new password. When creating a new password, make sure it's strong and unique. Use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. A secure password keeps your account much safer. Once you've entered your new password, you'll be asked to confirm it by typing it again. Double check that both entries match perfectly to avoid any mistakes. After confirming, click the Update button and you should see a confirmation message letting you know your password has been successfully changed. And that's it. You've just updated your Zoho Mail password, giving your account an extra layer of protection. Make sure to remember your new password or store it securely so you can easily log in next time. I hope this tutorial helps you keep your email account safe and secure. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and easy to follow tech tutorials.